Okay, I'm gonna quickly show a few things that might be useful. Start with the box. Okay, gonna make it a little bit thinner. Press a little bit like this. So I can I was just playing around with this carve tool and found out that it's going to be useful for bullet holes. 2D paint. Maybe I press this a little bit more. Let's give some. Let's make some holes, but not too many. Just a couple. Still too much. Yeah, some. That's not a pistol. This is slightly a bigger caliber, or just super heavy fire rate. Like this spider tank from Ghost and Shell. And I mean the anime. Let's move these up a little bit. So it feels more like a metal. So yeah, the back side as well. I think the front should be also slightly bent this way. It reminds me a little bit this what's it called? This piece of aluminium that got hit by space rubble. That was kind of nasty hole, and it was just a pebble, and it made just a huge impact. This crater, just so much energy. Anyway, let's move on and add some sharpener texture. Slightly takes away this metallic look, but I don't know. It just looks cooler. Weird artifacts happening. Fuck off. I don't know. This mesh shouldn't be this broken actually. Okay, let's go back. Ugh. Okay, just manually just fix some of the more problematic places. A good place for some kind of environment painting. This looks like some kind of valley. Yeah, from distance it's pretty good. Nice and quick way to sculpt either a wall or actually entire, I don't know, canyon or something. Works both ways. I wonder if I can make this one look like water actually. Normal map. Well, kind of works, but it's not a perfect water, but gives this idea. Yeah, it's good enough for paint over.